I got the True Blue threes right here with me. This is the only place I can record this since the house is practically empty at the moment. No, I just haven't had time to record it, but today I did have a little bit of time, so I decided, you know what, let me just record it before I go to work. Here are the True Blue Jordan 3s. The more I look at them, the more I like them. I obviously, was a big fan of them, prior to, actually having them in my collection. But when I first opened them up, the first thing that I noticed is that they look identical to the Wizard 3s. Obviously, this is yellow and this is blue, but the blue is, I'm pretty sure it's the exact same blue that the Wizard 3s have. And obviously the Wizard 3s have the Jumpman, these have the Nike Air, so these are gonna be better, obviously, since they're the True Blue 3s, one of the more popular 3 colorways that are out. Yeah, they're nice. The only thing that kind of, bummed me out was the fact that they upped the price to $230 retail, which is just absurd. I had no idea until I bought them. So, that's a fun thing to have. But yeah, this is only a one-time shoe. I'm not going to buy another one for another $251, which is how much I paid after taxes, which is, it's whatever. I'm used to buying stuff for resale, so it could have been worse at that point. So yeah, I got both shoes right here. The True Blue 3s is one of the 4 original colorways of the Jordan 3s, along with the black cement, white cement, and the fire red. Now, I was gonna get the fire red 3s. I did find a good deal on them. They were slightly used on eBay, and it was a really good deal. And I had them saved, and then someone ended up buying them. So I was like, all right, whatever, that's fine. But at the moment, this is literally the only Jordan that I have with me at the moment. Everything else is over there in Utah. Literally, I have these, which I'm not gonna wear, obviously. I have these, a pair of white Air Forces, and a all black Vapor Max Pluses. Literally, everything else is over there in Utah, so I literally have nothing. This is the only thing that I have. But yeah, maybe sometime down the line, I'll add the fire red 3s, but at the moment, I'll just stick to having the white cement, black cement. Oh, technically, I don't have the original white cements. I have the reimagined series, but I'm pretty sure they release next year, so I'm gonna have to be most likely copying those, the white cements. I'll try to get 2 pairs if I can. So one of them on sneakers, and then the closest location to me to get retros once I move over there is gonna be Vegas. I'm about to be driving 2 hours every time a retro releases, which is it's whatever. I'll probably find ways to make good of that time. But yeah, here's just the True Blue 3s.